was just reflecting on what you guys were talking about, and I was reflecting back probably 10 years ago. And I remember being in a mentoring session with you, and I remember one of my very first ones that I came on, and I came back and I said, "Oh, John," I said, "Yeah, I just went and relooked at my trade, and I was really down, and yeah, I lost money on the trade and stuff like that." And remember, we walked through it, and you came out and said, "Dave, you did a great job." Yeah. And I was like, and I'm sitting there all depressed, and you said, "Well, what's the problem?" And I said, "Well, I lost money." And then you said, "But you followed your trade plan." I said, "Yeah, I know, but it still feels bad,
Yeah.
you know." And I think it's just kind of building upon what you guys are talking about is that it is one of the things which, as you were saying, Stephen, plan your trade, trade your plan. And, when it really comes down to it, that's the most important thing. The near term benefits of your P&L is interesting, but it's not the most important thing for a long term success.